How to delete your property in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your property in booking.com. Now the process is actually quite simple. First you'll have to log into the extranet. Now first you want to search in for booking.com property management, and you can see the very first option here, booking.com property management option. You can head into first or either the second link, and it'll head you into the login option there. Now here you can see I'm already logged into my account, but if I head into the first link here, it'll show that I'm not logged in. So at the top right you can see the login option. Simply tap on log into the extranet option, and there you'll be able to log into extranet. Now first I'll just log into my account real quick. Now here you can see I'm logged in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and once here you want to head into the inbox option. Simply tap on inbox and then tap on booking.com messages. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you should be headed here on this page. Scroll down below and you can see the option your reservations and various other options. Simply tap on see contact options. Once you tap on it, here you can see various options, and at the bottom of the screen you can see account, password, contacts, channel manager, devices and terminate contract option. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you can see the terminate contract or selling property temporary and permanent closure option. Simply tap on it, and here you want to simply tap on terminate contract option, and here you'll have to select the option why do you want to terminate your contract with us, and you can either select any of the options that you want, and then you want to simply tap on next, and here you can select other options. And once you go through the process you want to check mark this box here and simply tap on terminate my contract, and you'll be able to terminate and delete your property from booking.com. So this way you can delete your property on booking.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.